All right, so President Trump has recently launched his own meme coin called Trump, and it reached over $75 billion valuation in less than 48 hours. And even though he says he doesn't know much about it, we've seen a lot of people, a lot of insiders make hundreds of millions of dollars, and him personally added billions of dollars to his net worth, because we've seen that this token has reached over a $75 billion market cap. Currently, it's sitting right around $41 billion. And as a result of this, we've actually seen his son, who's just 18 years old, come out and say that he's launching his own luxury real estate company. I don't really think it's a coincidence that we're seeing at the exact same time that a meme coin launched, the exact same time that we're seeing insiders make millions of dollars, that Barron Trump is launching his own luxury real estate company. And this is something that is honestly going to help the entire crypto market, because whether you like Trump's token or not, whether you like his policies or not, him being able to make billions of dollars in crypto is going to make sure that he has some pro-crypto policies and help the overall market. On top of this, we've also seen that Trump's company has bought tens of millions of dollars of both Ethereum and Bitcoin and a few other altcoins. And so that's why we've seen the overall market perform pretty well over the last couple of days. We've seen that Bitcoin's price. I wanted to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our channel partner, Pionex. Pionex is one of the most innovative crypto exchanges out there, offering low trading fees, 10 times lower than other platforms, and also tools designed to make trading as seamless as possible. And for US residents, Pionex is available in 47 states and provides access to some of the hottest trending meme coins like Snack, Brett, Whiff, Mew, and countless others. And on top of this, Pionex is the first US regulated exchange to offer 10% APY on USDT and USDC, staking with no lockup periods, hourly auto compounding, and a straightforward savings like product. So whether you're a long-term investor or actively trading, this is really a opportunity to take advantage of and a way to really grow your holdings. Right now, new users can sign up and earn 200 USDT as part of their welcome incentives. Plus, they have a limited time campaign going on between January 1st to January 15th, where you can participate in a massive $202,500 USDT grid bonus pool. So it gets even better than this. Pionex is also the cheapest place to buy crypto, with trading fees as low as 0.1%, making it perfect for both new and experienced traders. So right now, go ahead, take a look at Pionex, take advantage of their automated trading, all of the different meme coins they have on their platform, and use my link in the description to take advantage of those incentives. Anyways, let's get back to the program. Has bounced off of this key support right at $100,000 per coin a couple of times already. And right now, we are flirting with those record high prices, waiting to see like that highest daily close ever, because we did see Bitcoin's price go over $109,000 per coin, almost $110,000 per coin. And so right now, we are almost about to see that next wave higher, that next push higher to around that $120,000 per coin range if you're looking at the technicals. The bad news recently, though, has been that Trump's token, when he did launch it, took a lot of liquidity out of the market from like some of the other utility altcoins. We've seen a lot of utility altcoins fall pretty substantially in the last couple of days. Now they're starting to bounce back already, but that was something that did have a bit of a short-term negative impact, was that a lot of people were selling whatever tokens they had to buy Trump, but now everything is more so leveled back out again, and nothing really too bad in terms of short-term. But long-term, like I said, a lot of great news. One altcoin in particular that has performed extremely well has been Lake. So Lake is a project that we did a video on the other day. It's up over 30%, and it launched at 20 cents per token. It's already up over 2x. It's at 41 cents per token, and this project is only available on Uniswap, but is putting up some pretty impressive numbers. 24-hour volume, market cap, just overall price action has done extremely well, and I think that's because this project is in the RWA sector. It's leveraging blockchain technology to ultimately disrupt the water economy, and it has so much real-world utility for it. Water is something that every single person on the earth needs, and this project is trying trying to disrupt that. They also are the official cryptocurrency partner of the Wolves, which is a Premier League football club. That's something that's very important as well. And if you're just looking at this project, they've made some major moves already in terms of what they're doing, major partnerships, and you could even see that they are part of the blockchain for good. That's one of their partners. That's a Bybit initiative. Like, they just have so many big names behind it, so many exciting developments, and so that's why I think the price has done extremely well already, and why I think their price is going to continue to outperform the entire market moving forward. RWA is a really hot sector, and this is one of the projects that I think has massive potential. In addition to this, we also are seeing another RWA project that has been performing extremely well recently. We're seeing that Lingo, symbol LINGO, is a project that is doing extremely well also. And if we're looking at it, Lingo is ultimately building the world's most rewarding token. They are the first RWA-powered rewards ecosystem for the next billion in Web3. They've already been listed on major Tier 1 exchanges, and if you're looking at this project, they've come out with some pretty big developments since launching. So they launched back on December 12th, but since then, they've had a couple of major announcements and developments. One recent development was that they had a new 1,000 holders in just 24 hours, which was on January 15th. They also recently partnered with Travala. So now Lingo is fully integrated into the Travala ecosystem. You could book over 3 million hotel, flights, and travel products worldwide seamlessly with Lingo. And so they've been coming out with major update after major update. If you're looking at their roadmap, which they posted about on X, you could see that for December, January, February, and March, they have some pretty big plans. For this month, they have their New Year Power Miles booster, weekly raffles, rewards worth 100K plus, partner airdrop distribution, RWA acquisition, Solana token launch. February is coming with more and more platform updates, mainstream audience activation. March, they have some pretty big plans as well. So this is another project that I have over $100,000 invested in. I have right now around $250,000 invested in this project alone. And so that is something that I think is really going to outperform the market moving forward. The last few things I do want to talk about is just going to be in terms of the overall market, some other projects I like outside of the RWA sector, because if we're looking at major developments that have taken place, really it's going to be utility coins, in my opinion, that are going to perform well, because we've seen a lot of excitement with meme coins. We saw the Trump meme coin launch, and so I think we're going to start seeing money shift back into some of these utility plays that may have been a little bit hard hit over the last week or so. So projects that I also like in the top like 200 is I really like a few different projects. One is going to be Core, which is just outside of the top 100. It's ranked number 108. Core is really directly correlated to Bitcoin's price, much like the rest of the market, but Core in particular sees hundreds of millions of dollars of Bitcoin staked specifically on the Core's ecosystem. That's something that I really like about it, especially with more big institutions and big names getting into Bitcoin. I think that one's really going to outperform. Another project that I do really like a lot is Ordi. Ordi is a project that has been pretty hit hard lately. It's gone from around $90 per token all the way down to $20 per token. And this is a project that, if you're looking at what they're doing, have been making some pretty big improvements, pretty big developments, and just in terms of technicals, has had a pretty strong support. So right now, if we're looking at the overall market, there's a lot of things to be excited about, especially with what's going on with regulations in the US and what we can expect to see from institutions starting to get more and more into crypto and into Bitcoin.